Hello, English oral presentation 3. My full name is Sonia Patricia Perez Barona. I am 46 years old. I live with my family, my husband, my mother, my daughter. I live reading. I live cinema. I live in I live on the city of Cali, capital of the Valle del Cauca. Beside on the Tuesday monuments in my city. For this I invite you to crown of the most emblematic of Cali, and is the monument of the solidarity that is located of the 3rd North Avenue West, 34th Street, monument that represents the war. I am sure you will like it. Thank you very much.